Yo, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna be talking about how I made my video game. So, pretty much, the video game is called Ascension Labs. It's honestly pretty cool. It's based on, just fun little cool stuff. You see, you click this button, give you some coins every time. You're gonna get coins up there, and also you just have normal income coming in every 8 seconds, it says. But yeah, and then we have a whole bunch of stuff here, like a whole bunch of stuff, multipliers and things that will decrease you in the game. We have different ranks. You can rebirth, which is going to change this name. It's going to change how your player looks and everything. These right here are vials that when you get enough coins you can buy. They're going to upgrade all your coin multipliers, so you're going to get crazy coins at a certain point, right? Yeah, okay. But obviously they're more and more expensive. So now I'm going to show you how this game was created. So pretty much, let me see. Pretty much what I did was I so me and Austin, I should say, we coded this entire thing right now by ourselves. After I have to give credit to Claude. So in Claude, pretty much we used it to create a base for us, right? So since we have a base, we could, expand on that and stuff, and it helped us um turn our game into more of like a link that we could, send in between stuff and play. So like pretty much Claude, you can see it helped us make a base. So once it made the base game, which was very bad by the way. It was really bad, very hard game. We went into the actual code as you can see here and we fixed it a lot. It took us a long time to do this code. So um you can see we went through the code. We were looking for what was bad in the game, stuff cool to add, like the emojis right here that we got from Google. Um, the glowing, more emojis. We added the names. You can see True Adam is the very max one. It has all the cool stuff. This was definitely the hardest part because it just took the longest, and we had to really pay attention to every single little thing. And like we just had to know what was wrong and what we needed to fix to make the game, fun for people to play. So, yep, it's a pretty long, lengthy code to make the game. You wouldn't think such a simple game has this long of a code, right? Yeah, I know, but yeah, it does. I mean, the games are pretty hard to make. I haven't fully changed the name. It should be Ascension. But I haven't really changed the name yet because I just got it in Netlify. And that brings me to my next point though. Netlify, we use this to fully put it in here and build the game. So like before the coding even, we had the base from Claude, we dragged so in here we had a extra file that we downloaded from Claude. I think it's in here somewhere, probably an old one. Yeah, right here, ascension.netlify. That was the old version of our game, and we took that version and we dragged and dropped it into here. This is what helped us really code and then insert the code in there. I think our code you can see it's in here somewhere. I actually forgot where the code was in here, but there was an area where you can go and you can change the code. This is a very useful thing. I didn't really know about it until me and Austin first started this project, but I would recommend Netlify because it made the entire process much easier. And obviously, in here, you can automatically just go and play the game when you press that. Um, so yes, we dragged and dropped that from our actual like files. So we went here, went to game development, went to our video game zip. We dragged and dropped this into this. And then, I mean, yeah, I put it in there. we were able to code and change all the code in here in Netlify. So that was pretty cool. And I mean, you can see, like, I'll show you the game again real quick, just so you can see all the stuff. But yeah, I mean, I hope you guys enjoy the game. If you ever get to play it, like, subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.